Hello, today I'm actually sitting here with my FL300 lathe from Automate, and I have finally gotten to the point of getting the C-axis capabilities of the lathe working and actually camming out in my cam software for the most part. I currently use Strut Cam for my cam software, and so I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how I've got things set up and show you my first C-axis part running. So here's the inside of my lathe. I've got some stock in the chuck. Now this is 2-inch diameter stock, and the spindle bore on my lathe is about 1 3/4 inches, a little bit over, but needless to say I can't fit that bar stock in there. So what I've done is clamped it in as deep as I can go, and I set the outer part of the bar stock as G54. Now my live tool, this is what I got for live tooling. It's one of the Chinese high-speed spindles. I have mine locked down with just some of the hold-down stuff for a Miller lathe. I made some custom spacers here, just machined them to the exact right height I needed. And some of you might have also seen my other video where I showed the installation of the wiring. I'm not going to get into that now, but needless to say, the whole setup that I have for it is quite nice. Self-sealing spring-loaded covers with the cabling over to the live spindle. I have 2 of them because my machine actually has the capability for 2 live spindles, only using 1 at the moment. I do envision the other one pointing this way eventually. So that being said, let's see a part run.